Chazak u'Baruch. Good morning to everyone. Be'ezrat Hashem, Mincha is going to be 7:05. Please be on time, and a Rosh Chodesh Tov, of course, as well. The Halacha that we want to discuss today is about snow, ice, rain. All these things that happen on Shabbat are not Muktze. Snow that comes down on Shabbat or rain that comes down on Shabbat is not viewed as Muktze, as it's viewed as part of the world, and it could technically be moved, which means that if a person wakes up Shabbat morning and he sees that the driveway is snowed over and the crosswalk and the sidewalk is not shoveled, he can go ahead and take a snow shovel and he could remove the snow so that people are able to go ahead and to walk. Of course, what's not necessary for the purpose of Shabbat, let's say he says, well, I'm going to need the driveway tomorrow and I'm going to just shovel the area so that I could move the car out. That's already a different story because that's a question of achana. But in terms of just clearing the space so that people can pass by, so that he can walk, that is mutal to do. There is no issue of muktze. There's no issue of picking up the snow shovel because that's also not muktze, and it is perfectly fine to do that. What happens if he sees that it snowed and people already walked on it and it became ice? It became like a very hard layer of ice and it's slippery. He's even allowed to take salt and he's allowed to put it on. So people don't slip on it, people don't trip on it. It is mutal to do that, especially since it's a concern of hezekat rabim. And you find the Gemara talks about anytime there's hezek rabim and there's damage for the public, so then we permit even sometimes rabbinic violations we permit in order so that the public shouldn't be damaged. Like you could pick up muktze directly and move it for the sake of the public. So therefore it would be mutal to shovel a driveway or a pathway, you should say, or to put salt is things that are mutal to do on Shabbat, and there is no violation of halacha, not of muktze and not of any other violation as well. Baruch Adonai le'olam.